Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Najihah binti Syarul.
My name is Nur Izzati Ibani binti Sarani. My name is Khadijah Sofia binti Shudaza.
My name is Nur Khadijah binti Nurdin.
So today we will have discussion about how permutation and combination relate to our daily life activities. First and foremost, I will explain how permutation relates to our daily life. I will give an example of activity. So my examples is create a password. Permutation relate to create password because it involves of arrangement of symbols, of digit and alphabet. So password used by users to make some things become more privacy. So the more digits, the more symbols, the more alphabets we use, it increase of possible of arrangement of the password. So when the possible of arrangement increase, it is we make the hacker hard for the hacker to break into the privacy information. So it is really important. It is really related to permutation because permutation is related to arrangement. Password is related to arrangement too. So that's my opinion and my example. How about you, Lisa?
For me, example that can I give relate to permutation that used in daily life is like a father who was waiting for his wife in labor. He has prepared Ani, A and I, name for the baby. Moments later, the midwife told me that she will give birth to twins. So the father thought, how many names using the letter in the word Ani. So from this story, the old man took the first letter of the 3 available letters. Next, take a letter to the second letter of the 2 remaining letters. Finally, take a single letter for the rest of the 3rd letter. If we find the number of letters, Ani to be another name by manual that can be Ani, Ina, Ain, Ian, Nia and Nan. So we got 6. Based on the basic rule of counting, the number of arrangement may be repeated is equals to 3 times 2 times 1. So the answer is 6 arrangement. So Iwani, can I know an example for combination that used in daily life?
An example of combination of daily life is if you want to buy 3 cats from a pet store that has 10 cats. So in how many ways that you can be chosen? Suppose to the problem, you can select 3 cats of 10 cats at a pet store. So you can say select 3 cats out of 10 cats in formula of 3 combination of 10 combination of 3 that we can get 120. So the possible way to be choose is 120. So how about you? What's your example of another combination of life?
For me, an example in real life. For example, in an exam, students are required to answer only 2 questions, 2 essay questions for the test out of 10. In this method, there are many ways the student can choose the essay question to answer. Since the order at which they are selected does not matter, this is why we use combination. As to answer the question, we can select 2 out of 10 questions, so we can use the equation 2C10C2, which is equivalent to 45.
Okay, that's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yang 4